Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, February 10th. This is David, and let's take a look at gold, which for a little while here has been pushing to new all-time highs, fresh new all-time highs today as we pushed above those prior all-time highs made in October. And I don't think we're done as we look at this from sort of a voodoo perspective. Now, when I use voodoo generally, I'm talking about, of course, the voodoo lines, as well as sort of other types of technical analysis that are often called voodoo. That's our Elliott wave, that's our Fibonacci, and we mix it all together, right? Holding support as gold did back here in the middle of last year at the voodoo fire line, the most important of the voodoo line's levels, keeps a bullish roadmap intact. Now, I don't know that we make it all the way to the upper fire line destination in a fire line to fire line roadmap up here, between 3,500 and 3,600 bucks an ounce. What will tell us whether we do or not is how we navigate these second degree levels, this 2777 tree line, and then this upper tree line just kind of shy of 3,100. And we can see that gold is above that 2777 tree line level, perhaps susceptible to some sort of pullback in here, but only if we come back below this 2892 snow line, right? These are the third degree levels that subdivide the region between those tree lines. And if we just keep marching above, hey, maybe we're not in a pullback. And we very well could, if we do start to pull back here below the snow line, sort of erasing today's gains, we could revisit this tree line level, but so long as we hold it, then I'm thinking we have at least one more leg up. So let's parse all of that together, right? From all of those three sort of analysis techniques that we combine together. It would not be unusual to see a pullback from where this leg up is a Fibonacci 161.8% of this leg up, the initial leg up from this November low. In Elliott wave world, right, this could be a completed 1, 2, 3 wave move. And once wave 3 completes and 161.8% the length of wave 1 is a reasonable and not uncommon spot to pull back from, right, we would expect a fourth wave pullback. Right. So look, that's not to say this is done. It could grow to be a whole lot longer than 161.8% of wave 1. It could grow to 261.8% of wave 1. Another Fibonacci proportion, not quite as common in third waves, is 161.8%, but not uncommon either. And it also is by a voodoo line level, up by that upper tree line level. So for all I know, this keeps blasting upwards, right? So I do, for my long gold position, which I've talked about before and I'm still in, I want to hang on to that, right, as long as we mostly hold this lower tree line. I don't want to fight the upside here if it keeps going, but I want to recognize that we're near a spot where we could pull back. And if we do pull back, right, a fourth wave that is 38.2% of the third wave up, and if I just attach this wave 3 label to today's high on the idea that maybe we're done a wave 3, it'll show me where that 38.2% retrace is. It's right here again at that tree line level. So we very well could come back here, and so long as we hold that level, either hold it immediately or dip slightly below and quickly recover, that will keep my focus upwards. If instead we dip below this this swing high in here, right? That would be a warning that we've come back too far. Wave 4 is not able to overlap this wave 1. So if we get a pullback, a choppy corrective overlap pullback to near that tree line level, that would be an easier spot to buy nearer to my stop to get in for what I think should be at least one more leg to the upside. Now, at that point, I probably want to be corrective and start looking to, protective and locking up some positions, likely closer to 3,000 bucks an ounce if we get a pullback here before another leg up. But if we keep going and marching up towards that 3065 area before a pullback, then even higher than that still before we run out of gas. But either way, right, I'm not going to chase this here, but I think pullbacks that roughly hold this tree line level are spots to get in, and looking for higher back below and solidly below the tree line with or without another leg up first are spots to think that maybe we're ready for some more downside in gold before the next leg up. So that's what I've got. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you next Monday's update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.